this video, I will show you how to send money to Nigeria using TapTap Send. So first of all, open up your app and then click on the country search bar. You can find that from the home tab. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and type in Nigeria. So let's go ahead and do that and then select this one. And now you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So my account is set to euro, so I will be transferring in euros. But if your account is set to a different currency, then just go ahead and select that. So I'm going with 20 euro. And then you will automatically see what the conversion rates will be. And right now you can actually get a free $5 or €5 or £5 or something equivalent to that as a discount on your transfer when you are sending more than €1 or something equivalent. What you need to do for this is simple. You need to go ahead and click on add promo code in here. And then you just need to fill in the code JE00910. And then you can just go ahead and click on enter, and this way you will redeem your code. And this is my own code, so I cannot redeem it myself, but you can redeem it, and this will give you a nice €5 or equivalent to that discount. So if you're interested, go ahead and choose that and select that. Anyway, let's move on with the video. So now we're going to click on next, and then we need to choose to a recipient, or if you haven't created one yet, then you just need to click on add new recipient, and then you can select bank account. And right now you need to select the bank of your recipient. So go ahead and click on this. And here you can find all of the banks of Nigeria. So go ahead and select the one that your recipient has. You can also search for a bank name. But let's say you have Access Bank Nigeria. Then what you need to do is you need to also fill in the bank account number. And you need to confirm that bank account number. And you can check that by clicking on check details down below. So make sure that everything is matching. And once it is, go ahead and click on check details. And then you can confirm this transfer. So that is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.